Hello, today I am going to take you exhaust smokes overview. So exhaust smokes overview. We have types of car exhaust smoke, types of car exhaust smoke. So whereby we have white smoke, blue smoke, and black smoke. So we have three types of exhaust smoke: white smoke, blue smokes, and black smoke. So we are going to look their causes and the remedies solutions. Causes or remedies solutions. So white smoke, it is being caused by what? So white smoke causes, it indicates current is burning due to a head gasket leak or cracked engine block or a damaged cylinder head. So white smoke, it causes, it indicates current is burning due to a head gasket leak, cracked engine block or a damaged cylinder head. Hiyo ni that is a cause of white smoke. Remedies remedies or solution of white smoke. So remedies: repair or replace the head gasket. So remedies solution: repair or replace the head gasket, engine block or cylinder head. So you repair or replace the head gasket, engine block, or cylinder head. So that is white smoke causes and solution remedies. The other one is blue smoke. Second one is blue smoke causes: suggest oil is burning. It suggests oil is burning, is being burnt due to worn valve seals, piston ring, or a damaged PVC valve So causes: it suggests oil is being burnt due to worn valve seals, piston rings, or damaged PVC valve. Remedies or solutions of blue smoke: replace the worn seals, rings, or valve, or rebuild the engine, or you rebuild the engine. So those are remedies or solution of blue smoke. So you replace the worn valve seals, piston rings, or you replace the worn seals, rings, or valve, or rebuild the engine. So that is remedies or solution of blue smoke. So you replace the worn seals, rings, or valve, or rebuild the engine. The last is black smoke causes, or it indicates an excessively rich fuel mixture or incomplete combustion due to clogged air filter, malfunctioning fuel injectors, or faulty sensors. Remedies or solution of black smoke: replace the air filter, clean or replace the fuel injectors, or replace the faulty sensors. So those are remedies or solution of black smoke. You replace the air filter, clean or replace the fuel injectors, or replace the faulty sensors. Other possible causes of exhaust smokes are overfilled engine oil level. The second one is faulty turbocharger or intercooler. Third, incorrect fuel octane rating. Incorrect fuel octane rating. The last is malfunctioning of EGR valve. Malfunctioning of EGR valve. So those are other possible causes of exhaust smoke. Overfilled engine oil level, faulty turbocharger or intercooler, incorrect fuel octane,